coinciding with the storm surge, at least 90% of the city has been damaged by up to 4 meters. And here's Miss Jana Rios reporting.
Miss Arborilla and Miss Ursha. The storm surge of Tacloban City is a very high level. This storm surge of Yolanda or Typhoon Haiyan Yolanda has a speed of 350 km per hour. It can cause the widespread devastation in all regions of Tacloban City in Leyte Province. Yolanda is considered as the deadliest typhoon here in the Philippines for now on. 6,300 people and 28,688 people are injured and 1,062 displaced from home and missing. Back to you, Miss Ursons.
Thank you for your hatid balita, Miss Jana Rios. Here's our second report for today. Sarangani Province and General Santos and its neighboring provinces experienced a 7.2 earthquake. Here's Mr. Librado to report the news.
Are you all, dear Miss Arborilla and Miss Orson? 4:40 p.m. a magnitude of 6.88 earthquake occurred in Sarangani Island with a 63-kilometer depth of focus and tectonic origin. In a particular collapse house in Malapat, Sarangani, and we can see in the region. Some people are shouting for help. Others is crying and asking to help to them. Some of them jump into the ground floor just to save in this life. But it's causing injuries and outside of the mall. Has a big rock falling down the ground, so that advice of all the people in mall of themselves and stay away from the building. Back to you, Miss Arborilla and Miss Ocean.
Experienced a 9.3 tsunami this Tuesday morning at April 3. Here's Miss Goho to report the news.
Tohoku experienced tsunami caused by the earthquake. The Japan tsunami, tens of thousands lives were lost. The Japan agency reported that hundreds of roads, bridges, and more 100,000 buildings are flooded and destroyed. Of tsunami waves. The tsunami waves reach about 6 miles islands. The number of confirmed deaths is about 18,500. Other estimates give a final toll at least 20,000. The great majority of those killed were drowned victims of the tsunami waves. Back to you, Miss Arborilla and Miss Orson.
Thank you for your hatid balita, Miss Goho. Here's our fourth report for today. Because of several days of heavy rain, a massive landslide happened in Davao de Oro in Macao Province. To know more about the news, here's Miss Hadrian the report.
Back to the similar disaster in 2008, barangay struggled due to the deadly landslide with heavy rainfall in Masara Macao residence. As of 12 noon, total of 98 retrieved bodies, which includes complete body and body parts. It is said that the management of the dead and missing or MDM complete body parts, 88 were complete body and 79 identified body and 18 unidentified body parts. The landslide hit around 4 barangay, flooded some houses, barangay hall and terminal bus company. A child survivor was recovered from the rubble in 2 weeks.
Thank you for hatid balita, Miss Hadrian. Ayan, thank you for joining us tonight and constantly keeping an eye out for our news report.
Bringing the news that matters, unity and empowerment for better tomorrow. I am Jana Rose Oracion.
And I am Anne Beatriz Arborilla.
And this is Global News Report.
This is Global News Report.